Hi, it's Lynette here. So I'm filming in a different space today. I'm using my spare room, which also doubles as my office during COVID, because my son's moved back home, so he's got the front room that did have the sofa bed in it. He didn't want to, don't blame him really, he didn't want to sleep in this room, he didn't want a single bed, so he is using the sofa bed at the moment. So we'll see how long that lasts for. So I've been relegated to filming here. I would film from my bedroom, but it's an absolute tip. I had to pull out all my makeup and all the stuff that I keep in that room to make space, and I still need to find space for all my stuff. So anyway, I thought I would just pop in here, and I'm not sitting on my chair for work. I'm going to try and not swing around in my chair because that will be really annoying. Anyway, the light's a bit brighter here, but it's still not the best, and I'm aware that, you know, quite bright coming from the background, so I hope this is okay. It's a really boring room. We're going to paint it white. It's currently grey. I'm going to paint it white and then hopefully get some nice pictures and things up on the wall. But I was going to make this a white room, like he's got a white bed, white light, white rug, you know, but if it's my office, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not so sure. Anyway, I'm here to show you what I've got in my Glossybox. So it is variation 7, and I do know that sometimes the variations, so I got a variation 1 one time and other people got variation 1 and it was completely different, but I think that's because they run out of a product. I'm going to open it and show you what I got. Anyway, this is my last Glossybox. It comes in the nice pink box. I didn't cancel it in time, so I did get another box, but I'm actually not too kind of bothered because it's quite a decent looking box this month. So I have a 25% off with Judith Liebermore. Judith Liebermore is more. Judith Lieber, more is more. So if you're interested in 25% off your first purchase, which is fragrance, it's Glossy 21. There you go. But anyway, got the booklet, which I will refer to for prices and bits and pieces, and the usual kind of tissue paper, which is actually less like tissue paper. It's a bit more shiny now. Shiny tissue paper. So the first thing I see here is the Judith Lieber, more is more, for her. So that's what the booklet was all about. So what is it? What is it? Well, some kind of fragrance, I imagine, going by that other leaflet. I'm rubbish with packaging, you know that. So I get the little bit of sticky bit off. Some people would edit this out, but I can't edit. I tried. Once I get myself a laptop, I've got a laptop that's for work, so I'm not going to be downloading things onto that. So, it's like a little perfume. 3 perfumes, wear alone or mixed together. Oh, that was really interesting. I would never think to mix my perfumes, although I do it accidentally. So there's floral, there's gourmand, and there's zesty. So one says rich and gourmand. I'm not sure what gourmand means, or gourmand, probably pronouncing it incorrectly. Woody white floral is the floral one, and citrus, floral and woody. So you get 3 perfumes in there that you can mix and match. And they're quite full as well. So looking forward to trying those. Those little sizes are really good for your handbag, especially if you're going out on a night out and you don't want to take a full bottle of perfume. There is the Spa for you. Oh, I think this was the kind of sneak peek. Oh, so that's actually like a little brush, but look, it's individual bristles, but they just look like all one piece, and at the back it's kind of silicone-y. I've got a little silicone mat like that. I've never used it before. So what does it say about? So it tells us the perfume anyway by Judith Lieber. Eau de parfum for her, and yeah, the extra treatment 4.3 mils worth £9. So if you were to buy the full 75 mils, it would cost you £115. I'd like to think it smelled really nice for £115. So the Spa to you, this is full size. It's not got a sucker or anything. Dual facial cleansing brush, so it's worth £16.49. And it's multi-use brush. It's the only at-home pamper tool you need. Exfoliating brush on one side and an ultra soft fine bristle brush on the other. So what does it say here? The cleansing brush helps to cleanse pores and remove makeup and masks, gently massages your face at the same time, giving you that post-facial feeling. Now, I'm going to go online and actually just kind of work out how it helps to take my makeup off. And, you know, if I can use it with products. So it doesn't really tell you a lot. So that's by Shop Spa to You. Spa to You. So I'm going to go online and have a wee look and see if I can work out how I'm supposed to use it. So yeah, that was $16.49. So that more than covers the cost of the box. Oh, Fixin' Rouge. Fixin' Rouge. I've never tried Fixin' Rouge before. So it says Wonder Love Clarity Skin Perfecting Serum Drops. £42. Wow. Full size. 36 drops evenly and blend into skin with your fingertips. So I'm quite excited actually. Have I done the right thing in cancelling? I don't know. Look at the packaging, isn't that gorgeous? So Wonder Love. So it's a serum, vegan and sustainable skincare it says, and it's perfecting serum drops. Sublime, lightweight and micro refining serum. These drops will help you uncover your skin's natural clarity, radiance inducing and pore refining formula. Gently exfoliates and unclogs pores, while also ensuring your complexion is clear and free of breakouts and blackheads. Your skin will never have felt so soft or refreshed. So I'm really excited to actually try this. If you can see it, but it's like there's it looks like there's something. It doesn't look clear, if that makes any sense. It looks like it's not a clear liquid. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, look, it's kind of pearlescent. You can't see that on this camera. But it's got like a pearlescent glow to it. Oh, wow. Oh, you can't see it. It just looks kind of slimy and green. It's gorgeous. It's got like little bits of what looks like glitter through it. So you wait for the serum to dry. You just pop it on and wait for your serum to dry. It's got a slight little tiny little bit of an exfoliation feel to it, but when you rub it into the skin, that almost disappears. But you wait for it to dry before putting your moisturiser on. I don't always do that with serums. Not gonna lie, usually don't have the time. It's funny, I'm working from home and I don't have the time, so I don't know what I'm actually going to do when I've got to actually go out and get a bus and travel to work. You know, an extra 2 hours added onto my day because I'm not managing my hours being at home. Oh, Vitamasks. I really love Vitamasks. So this is a pearl sheet mask and it's brightening. So there we go. I love the packaging as well. So it says moisturising Korean face mask made with extracts of pearl to brighten your skin. Wash and cleanse and then put this on. So it's almost just, so these masks are almost just a way to get extra, you know, serum into your skin. So usually you can leave this on and then gently pat your face to let the remaining essence, it calls it, absorb into the skin. What I usually do with any extra is just kind of going down and putting it on my neck and everything. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that. I am going to be bringing back some face mask Fridays again, but just for kind of like different masks that I've tried or that I want to try. The sheet masks, they're all very much of a same. I will do some branded sheet masks to show you them, but I'll generally use the traditional face masks that aren't the sheet masks, if that makes any sense. So the Vitamasks is full size and it's £4.99. So it boosts dull and tired skin. Yeah, they've been watching. They've been watching my dull and tired skin. So this is Siba Med Clear Face Antibacterial Cleansing Foam. Combats pimples and blackheads, headaches, effective antibacterial action and gentle pore deep cleansing. So science for healthy skin. There you go. So how much of this are we getting in here? You can use it morning and evening. You massage it gently onto the skin and then rinse off with water. So yeah, I might actually keep this for when I've kind of, I don't get the time of the month anymore, but I do get the spots, which is, you know, tell they're hormonal spots because I get them on my chin. But that might be good for keeping for when my skin's feeling a bit crap. Or it says pH 5.5. I'm assuming that's good. Or equally, one of the boys will probably be off with this, but I might keep it in my cupboard. And how much is that? Let me see. The Siba Med is full size and £7.99. This is quite good. Actually a really good box, this one. And this last item here is an Eyebrow Forming Gel. It's worth £11. So tame your brows with this transparent styling gel. Drying quickly and invisibly, all you have to do is craft your dream bushy brows, and then set them in place. They'll be sure to hold for hours. Right, I don't have eyebrows. I do still have to get them waxed because they're very fair, and then I get them dyed. But I haven't had that done for ages, so I'm kind of like in the morning putting my eyebrows on. So the idea of like just taming my bushy brows is quite funny to me because I don't have any. But I'll put this in one of my giveaway boxes. Or I might put it in an advent calendar. But yeah, I'll put that to good use. And last but not least, there's a little freebie, is a little Lindor milk chocolate bar. So all in all this month, I think Glossybox have done really well. The Fix and Rouge is fantastic. My first Fix and Rouge product, I am sure of it. The Siba Med, it's quite functional, but I love a cleansing product anyway. I wonder if you can use both of them together. It's quite good if they've done that. It's like sometimes you get shampoo and then you don't get conditioner. So it's quite good if they have paired that up deliberately. The eyebrow gel, the sheet mask, and the perfumes. Right, seeing as kind of I'm at the end of this video, I am going to actually spray them. I think perfume is something that's really, really kind of individual to each person. I love a sweet perfume and some people do not like a sweet perfume. Lovely. Oh, that is really nice. This is the one that I don't know that I can say properly, the Gourmand. Oh, that's lovely. That is really nice. I wasn't actually expecting that. It does say you can layer it, but I'll put it here. This next one here. What's this one? This is Zesty. That's not as nice actually. Zesty. Maybe put a bit more on. It's fresh. Well, I'm showing you that. It's fresh, but it's not strong. I feel like I've just put it on and I feel like I wouldn't smell it at all. And I'm going to pop this on the front. So this is this a floral one? You can layer it, it says, but I'm going to pop it on the front of my wrist. Oh, that's gorgeous. So my favourites are the floral and the Gourmand. Oh, the floral one's gorgeous. It reminds me of something else though, I don't know. If you get this box and you get the perfumes, which I think everybody will get the perfumes, let me know what you think of the perfumes. But also, like, have you got any clue how I use this? I know that's kind of exfoliating and that's nice and soft. But do I put the product on with it? Anyway, if you know, let me know. I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.